Welcome back to EmRatThich channel. Today we learn how to do the backhand push and forehand push technique in table tennis. This is the fundamental technique which is demonstrated by Zhao Yiyi. The push technique is very important in table tennis. It is one of the best ways to control the ball when you don't have the opportunity to attack. A good push can also prevent the opponent to attack first. There are the forehand push and backhand push technique in table tennis. Firstly, we study the forehand push technique. Forehand push technique requires you to stand close to the table. Upper body slightly lean forward and arm is naturally relaxed. Step your right foot forward to the table. Put your body center of gravity on the right foot. Yin Pai, elbow close to your body. Relax your wrist, very important, and open your racket. Remember, don't contact the ball when the ball is too far from your body. Hit the ball. The force direction is forward. By doing this, you will have a stable shot. Push the ball at the bottom around 4 o'clock. The backhand push technique is a little different. The important point is where you put your elbow. Yin Pai, put your elbow outside of your body but close to your body. Relax your wrist. Cut or push the ball at the bottom. Use your wrist and accelerate into the ball at the moment of contact. Some amateur players forget to accelerate into the ball, so the push has little spin. Three tips to remember. 1. There are two types of push technique, fast push and slow push. For fast push, you contact the ball at the early timing, around position 2 timing. For slow push, you contact the ball after the highest position, position 4 to 4.5 timing. Slow push will generate long and heavy underspin. Fast push will return the ball faster but less spin. If you don't know about the timing position from 1 to 5, you should watch the video below. And tip number 2, use backhand push only when you can't attack the ball. For no spin or top spin ball, don't use the backhand push, but you should take initiative by doing the backhand flick or backhand top spin. And tip number 3, adjust the angle of your racket. For less spin underspin ball, you should close more your racket. For heavy underspin ball, open more your racket angle. These are the basic table tennis technique that every player can do it easily. For these shots, focus on the consistency and control the placement of your push. That is for today. See you!